You guys, the 2023 Nissan Z has an epic sound to it. And yes, it's going to be great taking through the canyons. Now, one of the most highly anticipated new sports cars, the 2023 Nissan Z, was unveiled back in August, and it's going to replace the 370Z, if you can remember that. What a fantastic car the 370Z is. And now, with this new welcome of the new anticipated 2023 Nissan Z, this is just going to be amazing. It's not going to be long until the new Z goes on sale. And hey, the books are going to be open in March, so you can put your order in. And deliveries in the United States, it's going to start in spring 2022. Now, before the pre-production Nissan Z finish the beautiful gun metallic color, which is going to be awesome, has been caught ripping through the canyons in Los Angeles, Crest Highway, which is just straight up amazing. Now, the video that shows this Nissan Z 3.0 liter twin turbo V6, it sounds like it's the same sound that comes from the Infiniti Q60 Red Sport. And that produces about 400 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. So, judging by sound alone, wow, that's perhaps what it is. But hey, you gotta see it in writing first, folks. Now, Nissan Z can tackle corners. That V6 sounds is just sporty, and it sounds even better when you hear that noise. They say it sounds better than a prototype, which people have heard it being pushed hard. But boy, man, this is awesome. Winding through the twisty canyon roads in this baby is just going to be fantastic. The Nissan Z, man, you're going to be able to take this baby on a workout and actually feel the agility of this baby. The 2021 Nissan Z, and I don't know if you guys remember Nissan 370Z Nismo. Now that was they're seen together. And we know why it's seen together, because Nissan is smart. You have to benchmark it against this past just to see how good that the new Z is going to be. It has to have a benchmark. So the benchmark is actually its oldest brother. Or you can say its older sister. The Nissan Z is going to be available in either the standard 6-speed manual transmission or the optional 9-speed automatic transmission. Now that's according to Nissan. And they say it's going to be 15% quicker than the 370Z, which is good news. Now Nissan hasn't released the final performance specifications, but you can anticipate it's going to do 0 to 60 in around 4.3 seconds, if even faster. Now pricing, no one knows yet, but we can take a guess that it's going to be under $40,000, because it's going to be going up against the Toyota Supra, and the Toyota Supra looks fantastic. But boy, I mean, just look at this engine, look at the bar, look at the placement of it. This is going to be one beautifully made automobile. I love the floor mats. I love the interior and the fact that the manual transmission. I mean, look at the paddles. And I like, when you look at the gear shifter and you see the soft touch materials between the seats, like, just that whole inlay, that door insert is just nice, folks. I mean, just look at that. And between the shifter, your legs won't be rubbing up against nothing hard. That's also in the Lexus too. I have that in my S350, and I think that's phenomenal, folks. Man, oh man, this Nissan Z is just fantastic, folks. Look at the exhaust, the way the gate opens is pretty tight and airtight. Take a look at that. Fantastic. The front grille, the technology, all of it infrared, the cruise control sensors and all that, so it's going to have some great technology, which is lane keep and assist and all that. Let's see if we see the windshield. Awesome brakes. It looks like Nissan brakes. I mean, it's just fantastic. I love those wheels, those tires. You got the high tech there, and in the back you got the camera, and the side. That's awesome, and also that blade that you see along the side. What a fantastic automobile, folks! Yes, this baby was seen making epic sounds through the canyons, and it is fantastic. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day.